drawings, he had storyboards to review, and from time to time he would come up with, well, maybe a song could work here. For the two characters of the Baddens, Cruella's henchmen, he came up with an English pub chanty called Don't Buy a Parrot from a Sailor, because those birds say embarrassing words. It might have been used at the DeVille mansion when they've captured the puppies and they're kind of relaxing off to the side and they're just entertaining themselves with this song.
Parrot makes an awful peck when he's been out to sea.